In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autosum quickly in Excel. If you've ever needed a fast way to add up a column or row of numbers without typing a long formula, Autosum is your best friend. It's built right into Excel and takes just a second to use, whether you prefer clicking a button or using a keyboard shortcut. Start by opening Excel and heading to the sheet where your data lives. Make sure you can clearly see the numbers you want to total. We're going to place the total at the bottom of your table or range, so click into the empty cell directly beneath the column of numbers you want to add. If you're adding across a row, click the empty cell to the right of that row of numbers. Positioning your cursor correctly helps Excel understand what you're trying to sum. Now, let's use the Autosum button. Go to the Home tab and look to the right in the Editing group. You'll see the Autosum button with the Greek sigma symbol. Click it once. Excel will immediately suggest a range by highlighting the numbers above or to the left of your selected cell. Take a quick look to make sure the highlighted range matches what you want. If it looks right, press Enter to confirm. Excel inserts the sum formula for you and calculates the total instantly. If the highlight isn't quite right, simply drag to adjust the selection before you press Enter. If you prefer speed, you can use the shortcut. Press Alt and the equals sign together. That's Alt plus equals. This does the exact same thing as the button. Excel detects the adjacent numbers, drops in the sum formula, and waits for you to confirm. Again, check the selection and press Enter to finish. This shortcut is especially handy when you're working through several totals in a sheet and want to move quickly without reaching for the mouse. A couple of quick tips to get the most accurate result. Make sure your data is in one continuous block with no blank rows or columns in the middle. Gaps can cause Excel to stop the selection early. Also, ensure the cells you're summing are actual numbers, not text formatted to look like numbers, since text won't be included in the calculation. That's all there is to it. Click Autosum on the Home tab or use Alt plus equals, confirm the range, and press Enter. With this simple approach, you can total your data in seconds and keep your workflow moving.